If you like what you hear, we had a MySpace, I believe. It's myspace.com / the Acetones Band. We're also on Reverb Nation if you want to check us out there. This is our last song of the evening. And it's, unfortunately, it's a time. This is called Pimp-O-Matic. It compares a pimp to a politician. And it's not such a stretch, you know, as you might think. It's quite easier than you might think to do that comparison. And there's a song about that. And hope you enjoy the show. Thank you. You know his will is done. Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Who's got the girls? You know they're wearing pearls. Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Who's got the cane? No need to explain. Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Who's on the hill, selling you a thrill? Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Selling you a thrill. Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Who's throwing cash at the military flash? Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Who's dropping bombs down in Vietnam? Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Stealing daddy's little girl. Pimp-O-Matic, Pimp-O-Matic. Ooh, yeah. Back in '99, I was feeling fine, driving in my Cadillac. Got a girl in the front, another on the side, and I got one in the back. Time to fly to 005, driving way too fast. A city don't lie with its ghetto cry, no time to make it last. He's a politicking man with a new world plan, pushing tricks from coast to coast. On the hill, trying to catch his thrill in the Oval where he boasts. White House crime, no one's doing time. Bombs and rockets blast. A nation will cry if it takes a lie. Time is coming fast. Pimp-O-Matic, 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 Pimp-O-Matic. Thank you for coming out tonight. We are the Acetones. Hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you very much. Pleasure to play at Hughes Room. Great venue.
Yeah.